Hello students, I'm sorry actually one of the mechanical error towards my mobiles, so that actually that recording. Okay, but before this class we read the form of the farming like the agriculture, horticulture, viticulture, pisciculture, sericulture. Now we are going to read the process of agriculture. The process of agriculture, it means if you know the process of agriculture, you can be doing the agriculture in your homes. Okay, so it means we have to be self-dependent to us, and we should be have to growing the crops in our own hand. So now we are going to read the process of the agriculture. What are some process of agriculture? The process of agriculture are known as fast flocking. Whenever we do agriculture in our land, first we need to fertile the soil. First we need the fertile the soil, because the soil is just like one of the stone. Before we do our agriculture, the land has no any capacity to growing the all the crops. Okay, so we have to be blocking the field and get the fertility on the land, so that we blocking the field before we do our agriculture. Past time the people they use the block cart with the block, okay, and they plow the field and fertile the soils. But now this time we use the so many machine like the tractor, and they have to fertile the soils. One of the names known as earthworm. As the farmer is our best friend, like that earthworm is the best friend of the farmer. How? Because earthworm just like always under the ground and they get fertility on the soils. Okay, so due to that, blocking is the most important work process to do our agriculture. Second known as the seeding. After we fertility the soils, the second process is known as the seeding the seeds. Seeding of the seeds. And after when we seed the seeds, past time the people use this kind of the process and seeding the seeds, but now we get a seeding machine to seedling on the ground equally. Okay. Third is irrigation. The third process of the agriculture is known as irrigation the water. When we irrigate the water on the ground, the seed that should be growing on each one of the plants. Okay, so irrigation the water is the third process. Number four process is known as the fertilizing. We see many kind of the weeds, insect that has been attack the plants and kill everything. Okay, so we use the fertilizers. To kill the weeds, and insects. Only for the protect from the weeds and insect, we use the so many fertilizer to fertilizing on the land. Okay, and after fertilizing on the land, the plant cannot be what is the danger from the any kind of the insects. Fifth, then known as the harvesting. After the fourth process, the fifth process of harvesting, when the crop is ripened, at that time we do our harvesting the crops, and on the harvesting the crops, we should be use the labor as well as the harvester machines to harvesting the crops, and we get the food. After the harvesting, the next one is threshing. My dear students, you can see so many small village area, the people are using the fan to threshing on the all that. What is that? Crops. But now this time thresher machine that is easy our work, and we can be threshing on the crops and separated from the plants. Okay, wait. Now we already read all the process: plugging, seeding, irrigation, fertilizing, harvesting, and the threshing. Now we are going to read the types of farming. types of farmings. We already know about process, we know about agriculture, we know about the meaning also. Now we read the types of farming. You know that there are two kinds of farming. One is the subsistence farmings, and number two is known as the commercial farming. So now we are going to start our subsistence farming. Subsistence farming, that's divided into two parts. Primitive and intensive. Before we read the primitive intensive, first we have to know the what is subsistence farming. Any kind of farming is aiming on the ground only for the own use, own family use, is called as the subsistence farming. Subsistence farming has divided into two kinds, primitive and intensive. Primitive farming, first we are going to read. First, primitive farming. This farming is having only the small land, having only the small land. Okay, and this primitive farming is mostly doing during the monsoon climate. It means the rain is having here, and only for the rain we get the water and we do our agriculture. That's called as the primitive subsistence farming. And in this primitive subsistence farming, the people use the hoe, dough, plow cart, etc. Okay, to doing all the agricultural process. Now we are reading intensive farming. Intensive farming does need the need to do the high pressure land, and in this land have need more water. Okay, we should be use our water pipe to supply the water, and we should have to use the mechanical tool. After the mechanical tool, you also need biochemical fertilizers. Okay, so biochemical. So in primitive farming, that depend upon the nature, but intensive farming depend upon the biochemical fertilizers, machines, as well as the high amount of water also. Understand? So this is known as the subsistence farming. Now we are going to read the commercial farming. What do you mean by the commercial farming? Any kind of farming is doing by the farmer to selling in the market. You know, mandi बेचते नहीं बेचते हम लोग, just like that. We have to be selling in the market. We have to selling from anyone. It means that you know the business works. Okay, business farm. Commercial farm is known as the business farm. When a farmer is farming the crops only for the business work, only for the selling term, that's called as the commercial farming. Understood? This is farming only for the 1 to 2 hectare of the land when the farmer doing the subsistence farming, but this is not more than 5 acre or the 3 to 4 hectare of the land who has, they almost doing the commercial farming to selling in the market. Got it? Understands? Now the last Now the last things. Now we are going to read the last thing. What are the seasons? How many cropping seasons? There are 3 cropping seasons of agriculture. There are 3 cropping seasons of the agriculture. You know, my dear students, we already do agriculture. We already know about the process. We already know about the types of farming also. Now we are proceed. There are so many cropping seasons. Okay. First known as the kharif crop. I am already giving you the 3 point on each. Okay. First, kharif crop. It's living on the monsoon or rainy climate. Kharif crop mostly doing during the rainy season from the month of June to October. From the month of June to October, during the rainy season, this kharif crop has been having. Okay. Number 2, 80% of land used for the agriculture. 80% of land in our all over the India that's used the agriculture during the kharif crop because they get the water from the nature. Okay. Third, so many crops that has been grown in the kharif crops are known as first rice, maize, sugarcane, etc. It means this rice, maize, sugarcane, all which need high amount of the water. So this only have doing in the kharif season. Kharif means rainy season. Understood, my dear students? Now, second season crops. Second season crops. Second, Rabi crops. Rabi crops, they started from the month of November to February or March. October to February or to March, that is similar. Okay, it's grow during the winter season. During the winter season, Rabi crop is the crop of the winter season crop. Okay, Rabi crop is a crop of winter season crops. Secondly, only 30% of land used for the agriculture. Only 30. This kharif crop use 80% land, but Rabi crop has 30% land because winter season there no any rainfall there. Okay. Some crops like wheat, barley, gram, etc. It means the crop that cannot be need the high amount of water. Only that kind of the crop that grow in the Rabi season. Okay. You should say, sir, my family belong to farming family, and we should do the agriculture in the December, January month also. Yes, you can do, but you must have need one of the water bore. Okay, and you need the high quality and high amount of water. Okay, so that now third, jade crop. If you need this note, you should pause your video and you can write down in your copy. Okay, jade crop. Jade crop that is having the month of March to May. From March to May month, from March month to May month, this jade crop is having on the its grow during the summer season. You know, my dear students, every season we need the food. Every season we need food only for that condition. Okay, so during that conditions we have to need a different type of crop also. Less than 30% of land, less than 30% of land useful for the jade crop. The crop like watermelon, cucumber, kakdi, etc. that grow mostly on the jade crop. Okay, so my dear students, this is the type of crops that we're doing here, and we complete our agricultural process. Okay, so my dear students, I'm just requesting you all, you must have to be understand this topic properly because this may be useful for your future. Okay, thank you.